maps and the floor plan. If you have uploaded the floor plan here, so you will get the information. If not, and if you want to mention your company name, so you can also do it. And if you want to search by that pin code number wise, then you can also do it. Just I'm typing 411057. So see, if your organization are nearer to this location, then you have to zoom out and you have to select it. You can also add your organization's floor plan from here. Here, add a new floor plan. Click on that. You have to mention the name of the organization, location, and once you click on the upload floor plan, so whatever the floor plans are available, the image, the file type it's supported like the JPEG, GIF and the PNG, that you can upload here. So that floor plan you will see, then after you can see here. Okay. Location heat map. So location heat map also I have mentioned, like if I have uploaded the floor plan and I have pinned the access point with that floor plan, so I will get the information about like which access point is currently consuming how much of bandwidth and how much what type of heat maps are currently on that specific access point. If I will configure move my cursor on to the organization and will click on the overview. See, so in the overview, I will get like the current AP status. So if you have multiple AP, then you will get all the AP here. Usage is around 14 TB, clients are 3471, and network type is combined. Okay, if I will click here on the Pune on that specific AP, so it will provide me the detail of that users. Okay, now if I'm click here on the summary report. So these are the entire summary report of Meraki dashboard. If here I have connected on the Pune wireless, but as I mentioned, if you have added the multiple networks, like if you have any other branch office on other cities in the Bangalore, Hyderabad, outside of the India, so you can add here, and if you will select here, so it will show you into this list, and whatever the site you will select, so you will get the summary report of that specific site. And if you want to see the entire organizations, then you just have to click here, so it will show you the entire organization summary report. In the summary report you will get the usage detail, client status, top client by usage, so these are the name of the client, top client by manufacturer usage, so Apple, Microsoft, Intel. Also you will get top operating system usage, and you can also get like top applications category, which categories are using. Here we can see the first category, that is the video, and that is around 41.96%. So if you want to see that which application is consuming the more bandwidth and the more data, at that time you can see here the Netflix has shown. If you will click on the Netflix, the top application usage, so it will show you by chart wise, and the ports detail you will get here, like the port 80 and the HTTPS, that's the port 443, and category it's video, and name it's a Netflix. So by default some category have added into this Cisco Meraki for the video wise. If some other sites like the organization site, gaming related site, so that type of sites category already Meraki has mentioned here. If you are using the proxy, then might be you have some idea, like if you want to block some categories, then you can block it by category wise. So the same type of categories Meraki has also added into the dashboard. Okay. Now if you want to upgrade your firmware, then also this option is available in this organization monitor, firmware upgrade. See, here you will get the latest firmware version, that is MR25.53, and that is stable. If firmware upgrade is required, then you will get the information like you have to most recent change and the that will show here like which firmware is currently required, and these are the like if you have upgraded the most recent changes, so that you can see over here. And if upgrade is required and if you want to schedule that change, so you just have to click here. Like in your organization, the production time is from morning 8 to evening 12 p.m. and you have the maintenance window available after 12 p.m. and if you are not available, so if you will just schedule that change from here, device type and the target version, that version which are required for that Meraki, so that version you can see here. And scheduler also it's available. We have to just schedule that specific task, and if you will save it, so you can in the overview you can like the what are the schedule changes. So if you have set the time at night 1 a.m. and at that time Meraki will automatically run that script, and the firmware upgrade process will automatically run by using of that schedule changes. So that also I will show you in my next video, like how you can configure the scheduler and how you can schedule the task. In this video just we will take the tour of the basic tour of our Cisco Meraki wireless. Okay, configuration templates. If you have configured some template, so you can use that template for entire range of that access point. Here is the Pune. If you want to add one any, so you can also add here the template name. You must enter the template name. Okay, so if I want to configure the new template XYZ or Pune template, you will click here on the add. So that template will you can configure, and some target network you have to provide, like as I told you, like Pune. If you want to add that template in globally in other sites, and there's that sites also will show into that in this list. Okay, so this part we will show into the configuration part. Okay, login attempt. See, you can also see the login attempts, from which location, type, status, and the time, IP address, and from which email address the person have tried to do the login attempt. That all the information you will get here. And let me clear on the overview. Yes, so again I back to this. So in the wireless and the organization, one more part that is related to configuration. Here also the configuration. So this part we will show into the next video. So these are the basic tour of the Cisco Meraki wireless, and as I mentioned, if you want to add the security appliances, access switches, so you can also add here, and you will get the all the information on the single dashboard. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. We will see the configuration into my next video.